Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing a recipe on how to make goat meat coconut rice. This recipe will upgrade your rice skills. It is so tasty, yummy, and you will not even want to eat rice another way after trying out this recipe. We'll be needing some chopped goat meat, basmati rice or any form of rice, Scotch bonnet peppers also known as rodo in Nigeria, stock flakes and crayfish, coconut milk, onions and coconut oil. You cook the goat meat until it's about 70 to 80% done. You don't want it to be fully cooked yet, as you are still going to cook it in the rice. You just add in some chopped onions, seasoning cubes and some Scotch bonnet peppers and give it a stir and allow it to simmer until it is about 70 to 80% done. I found that when making goat meat, that it's better to keep the ingredients to the minimal because it tastes better and is more flavorful that way. Goat meat has a natural flavor, so you don't have to add all the spices and herbs to make it taste. Just add little seasoning cubes, some Scotch bonnet peppers and onion, and you will love the taste so much. So you should try making your goat meat this way and thank me later. Once you are done pre-cooking your goat meat, get another pot, add in some coconut oil to the pot. You can use any other form of oil, then add in your onions and fry till translucent. Add in your Scotch bonnet peppers. Fry properly. This step is very important. Please don't skip it. Fry it properly. Like you have to fry it to get the flavor of this dish. Then you add in your seasoning cubes. When adding your seasoning cubes, bear in mind that you are also going to add the stock from the goat meat, so don't add too much, just a little bit. Then you add your goat meat and your goat meat stock. Add in the stock flakes and crayfish. Stock flakes is the fleshy part of stockfish, and you stir. Then add the coconut milk. Allow to boil until it is boiling hot before adding your rice. You can add in more water if you feel that the coconut milk will not be enough to cook the rice. Then you stir it gently to combine all the ingredients together. You cover it and allow to cook on medium-low heat. It is important that the heat is not too high to ensure your rice is properly done. You can check the rice at intervals to see how it's doing, and also bring the rice on the bottom to the top and the rice on top to the bottom, so that you just ensure that everything is combined properly. At this point, our flavorful and delicious goat meat coconut rice is ready. This goat meat coconut rice is so delicious and flavorful, and it's a great way to spice up your rice cooking game and give your taste buds a treat. Don't forget to subscribe, like, drop a comment in the comment section and subscribe. I'm saying subscribe again, and share with your family and friends. Remember, everyone deserves a treat.